I'm Allison. I'm a professional organizer. I help people declutter their homes and lives for better health and living through online group coaching. One of the things that I stress in my coaching practice is setting healthy boundaries. And the reason I do this is because it is incredibly important, and also because I know from personal experience how much better life gets when you set those healthy boundaries. I was a people pleaser for years. I didn't know how to set boundaries. No one had ever taught me. I didn't feel like I was allowed. And until I combined awareness with boundaries, I felt like I really didn't have a lot of control over my life. I could set the boundaries easily in my home. So I set boundaries of what I was bringing in and how much, because, my home is my sanctuary, and I wanted a place where, when I walked in the door, there wasn't a pile of clutter. I knew where everything was. It was easy for me to clean it. But in terms of personal relationships, I had a ton of friendships where I would give and give and give and give because I was so desperate to have friends and feel like I had part of a support system, that I wasn't aware of the fact that I was giving and giving and giving, and yet I wasn't getting anything in return. A lot of these people, and I have some really good friends, so not everyone, but a lot of these people were just taking and taking and taking. And if I had used the awareness on this, I would have realized that this was making me feel used. It was leaving me exhausted and depleted, and I felt angry because when I would ask for something in return after giving and giving and giving, often those people would get angry at me, like, how dare you ask me for anything? This is such an inconvenience. And it would be something small. And a lot of that had to do with me not feeling worthy of asking people for favors and expecting something in return, to have a give and take relationship. So I had to work on a lot of those issues. And when I used the awareness of, I don't like this relationship, I'm not getting anything out of it, and I feel used and angry, and then I was able to apply it to setting a boundary of, no, I'm not going to do that for you, and no, I'm not going to be there whenever you need me. These people got angry with me. But you know what? That was okay, because I wasn't getting anything from it anyway. And when they left because they weren't getting anything from me, it left space for me to just be and get healthier. And then it left space for new people who did want to be my friend, who knew how to have a give and take relationship into my life, and things got better. And I felt more confident, and I felt more in control of my environment and my life. That's what I'm trying to do for all of you, because that's what everyone deserves. A good, healthy support system where everyone feels that they are supported and loved just for who they are.